Alright, so today I came up with 5 Rubik's Cube challenges, which is a totally original idea, and there's no specific YouTuber that did like 5 videos on this already. Right, but for real though, there's gonna be 5 challenges, as I said already, and 3 of them are gonna involve doing something to my cube that's gonna just make solving harder, and 2 of them are just gonna be regular challenges, I guess. But before we get into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to my friend who decided to make the very first fan art for this channel. So yeah, I personally really like it, so I don't know, tell me what you think about it in the comments. And he also told me that he wanted to start a Lego channel, so here's his ad on the screen, and go sub to him if you're interested in that. It's also gonna be in the description down below. But yeah, now let's get into the video. Alright, the first challenge. So, here's my Volk. And pretty much what I'm gonna be doing is removing all of the springs inside of this cube, so that pretty much makes the cube super pop prone. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Oh my god, what is this? Yep, okay, great. Yeah, this is gonna be a mess. Get away. Okay. Oops. Okay, yeah. So 2 springs left to go. This is gonna be interesting. So I don't know if I'm gonna get the tensions right. I'm probably gonna make them like tighter than normal, cause like, look at this. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god, this is gonna be so horrible. Yeah. And let's get the remaining springs out, tighten the tensions, and then we're good to go. Okay, so all of the springs are removed. As you can see right here. Here I have all the springs. Yeah, so the cube is super unstable, and yeah, pieces just pop off super easily, and center twists happen very easily. So yeah, oh my god, it's so loud. I'm gonna have to tighten the tensions like a lot, so let me just quickly do that. Okay, so the tensions have been tightened. Okay, this actually feels way more manageable now, but still, it's just way too fast and it's still super unstable. Okay, I can actually spam TPS on this, like, yeah, kind of. Let's see. Okay, so I haven't made a like GAN 14 type popping cube, but okay, pieces actually don't pop out as easily as I thought they would. But it's still super unstable. Okay, you know, just for the fun of it, I'm gonna make looser tensions. Okay. Yep. Okay. This is not gonna be fun. Let's where's the corner here? Yeah, so the cube is on like super loose tensions, and with no springs, so like, yeah, that happens. Do I really want to do this? Okay, no, I've got to tighten them at least a bit. So like the cube is still super unstable, and okay, it doesn't pop as much. It's still super easy to pop it though. I think this is perfect. So it's still manageable, but it's still gonna be hard. So for every challenge, I'm gonna be doing a mean of 3. Scrambles are gonna be in the description. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Yeah, the center caps actually pop out so easily. So not like when I try it, but when I just like move it around, you can see the red sticks out way more right now. So this is gonna be interesting. Alright, let me just save the scramble. Alright, let's see how this goes. I'm not gonna do next thrust here. Okay, let's see. Okay, wait, let's start over. Okay, I'm gonna try to look through the camera just for the viewing experience, but it's not gonna go well. Yep, okay. Alright, first time 24. I feel like that's not horrible. But yeah. Okay, let's just go on. Right, here's the second scramble. Okay. Oops. Oh my, no. No, that could have been a sub 21. Okay, I was turning so carefully, you don't even know. Okay, 21, not horrible, I feel like. But still, okay, I want to get at least like a sub 20. Like, that's my goal for this, honestly. Alright. Okay, sub 20. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Honestly, like, that stuff wasn't even like that different from the other ones, or like at least the scramble. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Here's my mean of 3 for this challenge, and let's go on to the second challenge. Okay, so for the second challenge, I'm gonna have to reinsert the springs, obviously. But the second challenge is gonna be uneven tension, so just like one side is gonna be like super loose and like super pop prone, and yeah, the other one's just gonna be so tight that you can't even turn it. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Honestly, foreshadowing right now, I don't even think that it's gonna be like that hard. Like, if I tighten this to like the point that it can't turn, then sure, but like, I don't think that it's gonna be as hard as this one, because this was just horrible. Okay, so that should be good enough. Yeah, so this is a bit too loose. These two are like kind of even. These two sides are just horrible, and this is like, and I feel like those two sides influence this one a lot, but normally it should be like way too loose. Right, so I'm filming this part 2 days after I did this mod to my cube, and fun fact, the sides actually loosen up a bit, so I'm gonna fix that. So yeah, let's just take these center caps off. Okay, I'm not sure if the cube got looser or if the cord just stripped. Okay, yeah, the cord definitely stripped. Oh my. Okay. I'm not trying to break my Valk here, so let's just loosen this up a bit. Oh my god, that's horrible. I'm not sure if this was a great idea, but let's also just tighten this like by a quarter turn. Okay, that should be good. I mean, it's still uneven tension, so technically it still counts. Alright, let's just. Okay, it's still horrible. Okay. What? This is a horrible idea. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh my god, okay. I'm just gonna do 2 look, I don't care. Okay, it's sub 1, it's sub 1. What? Okay, let's see, 59, 95. Oh my god, this is horrible. I have to do 2 more solves on this, what? Okay. I hope this cube will still be usable afterwards, I highly doubt it though. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. Sub 50. Let's see. Okay, so I got a sub 1 and then sub 50. So maybe I can get a sub 40. Let's see. Okay, I mean I broke my promise of only using finger tricks, but come on, it was impossible to turn. Come on. Maybe. Oh my god, it doesn't turn. No. G-perm. Okay, I'm done for. Oops. 45, okay. So not sub 40, but still not horrible, in my opinion. Okay, I'm gonna fix this cube. Let's just hope the core didn't strip. Okay, so for the third challenge, I'm gonna use the Scan 11 and Pro. And you might be like, well, what's the challenge on this? Well, it might seem pretty easy, but once you start turning it, it might seem quite obvious. So, yeah, pretty much what happened is I tried out like some lotion for lube on a bunch of cubes, and this is one cube that I tried it on, and it just sticks whenever I turn it. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scramble it up, leave it here for like a minute or 2 so that it hardens, and then I'm gonna try to solve it. Okay, so this challenge might not be as hard because once I do like the first couple of turns, then the cube actually becomes like quite usable, but it's still gonna be like more difficult than a regular 3x3. So yeah, let me just leave it here for a bit. Alright, it should be good now, so let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm gonna make an X cross here. Oops. Okay, +2. Yeah, so as expected, it's not that hard. It's just like a bit harder than a regular 3x3 for the first couple turns, but overall, not horrible. So I'm hoping to get like a sub 10 solve on this one. Alright, so let's see. Okay. No, what? What am I doing? Let me just do this, Elk. Okay. Okay, that was horrible. What? Wait. Yeah, I forgot my R-perm. Great. Okay, 2153. Right, and the third scramble. Alright, that should be good. So let's see. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a sub 10 on this solve. Let's just see. Actually, wait. Yep. Okay, so no sub 10, but still not horrible. 15.22. So let's go into the next challenge. Okay, so for the next challenge, I'm gonna use my Guhong Pro M. Actually, wait, this is a 55mm. This one. So this is my OH main, and pretty much after every step and F2L pair, I'm gonna switch hands. So from left hand to right hand, and it's pretty much just gonna be regular OH, just a bit harder. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, so here's the first scramble. Wait, I didn't finish my cross. Oops. Okay, 36. I mean, I don't know, it's the first scramble, so yeah. Okay, 28, way better. I still feel like I can do better though on this. Can I make an X cross here? Oh, I don't see anything through the camera. I can, okay. I'm actually gonna start with my right hand. That was a mistake. Oh my god. Oh, double X cross, what? No, what? I'm just gonna do 2 look here. Okay, 38. I mean, I still got a sub 30 in this mean, so yeah, so I'm not that upset about this, but still, I feel like I could do better on this. Right, so final challenge. So this is just gonna be the previous challenge took to an extreme. I'm pretty much gonna be solving 2 cubes one-handed at the same time. I don't know if it's gonna be worse for sure, but yeah. And also I have to solve them at the exact same time, so I can't be like one F2L play here and then the second on the right hand. I have to be doing like simultaneous moves pretty much. What? I'm so confused. What? No, what? Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna do them. No, what? No, I messed up my wiper. Fuck. Oh. Okay. Let me just finish this cube, and then I'm gonna fix this one afterwards. Okay, this is actually way harder than I expected. Okay, let me just finish off this cube. Okay. Oh my god. 2, 22, 41. Oh, okay. I mean, this is... Oh my god. This actually takes more brain power than just like blind solving. Oh, I have to do 2 more solves of this, what? Okay, let's just get this over with. Or at least an easy cross, I should say. What? I didn't even solve this. Okay, 115. That's improvement. So sorry for no commentary on this, but it's so hard, especially when I'm looking through the camera, because like I'm trying to get the cubes like in frame, because like if I move them here, then they're not in frame really. But I think I've been looking like above my camera through most of the solve, but this actually just takes so much thinking that like I just can't commentate on this. Okay, but despite that, I feel like sub 1 is doable on this challenge. Okay, well let's just try. What? Okay, that's good enough, honestly. I'm just happy to be over with this. 107. I mean, I could get sub 1 if I really tried to them with like lucky scrambles. But this is just like way too much thinking involved and stuff. Okay, I'm done. Now just edit the video and stuff. Oh my god. So yeah, I highly encourage you to do these challenges yourself. Maybe not like the first three, cause like the first one is pretty fun and it like doesn't break your cube. But the second and third can break your cube, I feel like. So maybe don't do these ones if you don't want to break your cube. But the first, fourth, and fifth one, definitely try this for yourself, because these were super fun, honestly. I mean, maybe not the last one, but the first one and the fourth one definitely. So yeah, let me know how you did it in the comments, and thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next one.